On April 10, 1912, the world was about to witness a new chapter in history. Titanic, the most luxurious and largest ship of its time, was said to be unsinkable. But fate had other plans. Just 5 days later, this mighty vessel turned into one of the greatest maritime tragedies. Today I uncover the unforgettable story of the Titanic. Titanic was built by the White Star Line. Construction began in 1909 and was completed in 1912. This massive ship weighed 46,000 tons and featured 16 watertight compartments, which led many to believe it was unsinkable. On April 10, 1912, Titanic set sail from Southampton, England. On board were over 2,200 passengers and crew members, including wealthy businessmen, famous personalities, and ordinary immigrants. The first-class cabins were like royal palaces, with a grand dining hall, swimming pools, and luxurious amenities. But this dream voyage was about to turn into a nightmare. April 14, 1912, 11:40 p.m. As Titanic cruised through the cold North Atlantic, disaster struck. A massive iceberg loomed ahead. At first, the damage seemed minor, but in reality, 5 watertight compartments were punctured, allowing water to flood in. The unsinkable ship was slowly going down. Titanic had fewer than 20 lifeboats, only enough for about half of the passengers. The wealthy and influential secured spots first, while third-class passengers were trapped in the lower decks. At 2:20 a.m., the mighty ship broke into two and disappeared beneath the freezing waters, claiming over 1,500 lives. After this tragic event, the RMS Carpathia rescued around 700 lucky survivors. The disaster forced the world to rethink maritime safety. New laws were enforced, making lifeboats mandatory for all passengers. In 1985, ocean explorer Robert Ballard discovered Titanic's wreck deep in the Atlantic. Even today, the ruins of this legendary ship remind us of the great disaster and the lessons learned. Titanic was not just a ship, it was history, a lesson, a timeless wonder. It showed how a single mistake can teach an entire generation. What do you think should be done to prevent such tragedies in the future? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to share this video.